Hi everyone, Angela here. Today is going to be a kick butt day. First, before I get started, I just want to thank everybody who has subscribed to my channel, supported the salon, liked my videos and photos. I appreciate it so much more than you guys would know. So, because of this and all of the support you guys have shown me, I have decided to do a big giveaway of over $100 worth of products. Not my favorite nail products, but also beauty products in general. It's the perfect timing because the holidays are coming up, so stocking stuffers or to give to your daughter or to use for yourself for all of you nail lovers. So I thought I'd do a quick video and show you guys just a couple things that are in this giveaway and also what you need to do to take part of this giveaway. The giveaway is going to take place when I hit 75 subscribers. So for all of you super geniuses out there, that means you have a 1 in 75 chance of winning this giveaway. In order to take part, you only need to do two things. One, subscribe to my channel and let me know you subscribe to my channel in the comments below. And the second thing is DM me or message me the secret phrase. So I'm going to be doing 3 videos today. At the end of each video, I am going to be giving you a word. So subscribe to my channel and DM me what those 3 words are. And they're going to equal a phrase. And that's all you need to do. So when we get to 75 subscribers, which should be pretty quick, I'm going to pick a name or do that special spinny thing that everyone on YouTube does, and one of you guys will win. You have very, very, very good odds of winning because it's 1 out of 75. So, without further ado, these are going to be a couple items just to get you guys excited of what's going to be in this big giant box that you receive when you win the giveaway. So should I start with this small item? Okay, so the first thing you are going to get is I have 2 full professional nail polish packages here from Igel. This is called Sparkles in the Sand, and they're sparkle gel hybrid nail polish. So you do not need a LED or UV light to apply these, so anyone can apply it at home, but it will absolutely have a longer wear like gel polish has. And they're beautiful colors. I can try to get it up as much as possible. I'm not sure if you can see the colors, but they're gorgeous and they're perfect holiday colors. So let's hurry up and get to these subscribers so that we can get this out to you guys ASAP. Now, if that wasn't enough already, I'm going to give you a second gel hybrid liqueur from Igel, which is a professional brand. That's also some beautiful colors. I really, really like this silver here. It is gorgeous. So you get 2 of these. Yes, so that's a total of what, 14 nail polishes? Okay, but that's not enough because you guys rock and absolutely deserve more. So in addition to that, I'm going to give you some Zoya polish remover, nail cleanser, and nail prep to make sure that when you apply this awesome gel liqueur, it lasts. And this is a 3-in-1. You're also going to get a pump bottle to put your acetone or your Zoya 3-step prep cleanser and remover, or alcohol for when you're cleaning your nails. And this is super cute. I don't know if you can see it. Love them. In addition to that, you're going to get hand sanitizer from Zoya. Again, so all very high quality professional stuff. You're also going to get a lotion. So when you take pictures of your beautiful polished nails, your hands will be moist and they will look gorgeous. And this is almond shea butter. You're also going to get a Zoya lip gloss. I'll ask you the color that you want once I announce the winner. You'll also get a Zoya lipstick. Again, I'll ask you the color you want. This color that I'm using here is a color called Lane, which is beautiful. They're also very moisturizing as well, which is what I like about those. You'll get a nail file, so you can shape your nails and prep your nails. Also, very special, you'll get a box of foils, and these are floral foils. They're very, very, very pretty. And can you guys even remember what I started with? This is so much stuff that I'm going to be giving away in this giveaway. So make sure you subscribe and DM me that phrase. And I'm not done yet. You're also going to get a gorgeous bag to put all of your new nail supplies in. And this is super cute, isn't it? Love it. And we can't forget the glitter. I am going to be sending you guys 2 glitter mixes that I'm going to fill these up with. So when you win, if there's any specially mixed you've seen on my channel that you want, I will fill this up here with glitter for you guys to use on your nails. So that's some of it. I'm going to absolutely include more into this huge package that I send out. So hopefully you guys got excited. A lot of Zoya products. The lip gloss, the lipstick from Zoya, the prep nail cleanser, the Zoya hand sanitizer, the Zoya lotion, 14 different hybrid gel liqueurs that don't need a UV light, a nail file, floral nail foils, and I haven't even named it all. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, comment below, let me know that you subscribed, and send me that phrase, the word right now that you need to send me. Remember, this is a 3-word phrase that's going to be in the 3 videos I filmed today. Is the leather. Oh my God, I'm going crazy. I'm so excited about this. Is the word purple. All right, guys, I hope you liked this video. I hope you're super excited about this giveaway. I know I am. I cannot wait to fill up a fun box and mail it out. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to send. I'll try to reply to everybody. And subscribe, comment. And if you like this video and you want to be notified of future videos, make sure that you hit the notification button. All right, everyone, have a great day, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.